Hey everybody, my name is Lisa Wigfall and I am here getting ready to make a flu buster. 10-year-old has the flu. I did not have my flu shot, so I'm not trying to get the flu. You know how it is when mommies are trying to get sick, they can't. Here is my flu buster. About a cup of organic kale, cup of organic spinach leaves, half a teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of lemon, half of a apple, cup and a half of water. Put in about a teaspoon of local honey. Local honey is good because it is good to build up. It has a lot of antimicrobial properties in it. Now the kicker, the padow, is cayenne. So you're gonna put a couple of sprinkles of cayenne pepper. Again, I do use organic. I'm going to also add in some turmeric in here. Turmeric is also good because it helps with inflammation. It is an inflammation fighter. Black seed oil, they say, cures everything or helps everything except death. Now, for me, I like to have mine like super blended, so I'm just gonna transfer everything over into my single serve. Still leaves a lot of goodness. I wanna drink it. I don't wanna chew it. Add in the rest of my water. And it's ready. This is my flu buster. It is good, it is good. So, don't forget to like my Facebook page. Definitely like my YouTube. Again, I'm Lisa Wigfall. I will see you soon. Have a great day. Stay well, stay healthy, and don't forget to smile and laugh. Bye.